Hello and good evening, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. And yes, this is what you're looking at tonight. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. This car is a real Super Sport. It is a 138 VIN code 1967 Chevelle Super Sport. Now this car is Marina blue in color. It has blue interior. This car is as far as I understand, a numbers matching 396 engine, 4-speed manual transmission. Beautiful car. Car had a frame off rotisserie restoration. It was completed around 8 years ago. That's what I understand from the previous owner. Car has power steering. It has power disc brakes on the front. And I'm telling you what, the car runs and drives absolutely amazing. It has the correct rally wheels on it with the correct Coker Redline tires on it. This car is a very, very beautiful car. And it's hard to find a Chevelle Super Sport, a real Super Sport, anymore. There's a lot of clone cars out there, but this is not a clone. This is a real Super Sport car. Body and paint on this car, very, very nice. Few minor little imperfections in this car that I'd be happy to point out to you. As I was just noticing here walking around the car, I did notice a small little ding in this car right here. You got to get in the right light, but a small little ding right here, just a little bitty one. And it has a minor chip in the paint right here, just like maybe a rock climbed up there and hit it. And then one other little spot here, I seen one tiny little imperfection in the paint right here, just about the size of a end of a ballpoint pen. Other than that, I don't see anything on this car that really sticks out to me. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. It's super straight down the sides. The car was a Southern car. It came out of Georgia, I do believe, originally. So that's probably why it's so clean on the bottom side as well as the top side. And we will be posting underneath pictures of this car real shortly. Your door gaps on this car are very nice, front and back. Front, back. There's your interior door panels, excellent shape. Door jambs, excellent shape. See all the body lines right here, all the seams. Your weather stripping here is very good shape. All your glass in this car is beautiful. I don't think there's a piece of glass in it with a scratch or scrape on it. Beautiful, beautiful glass. The interior in this car, absolutely gorgeous. Blue interior, seats, carpet. It's got the matching Chevelle Super Sport floor mats in it. Really nice. Up here, you can see your door jambs are in very nice shape. They're painted exactly like the car. Beautiful. Headliner, great shape. Your dome lights there and intact. Your sail panels are in excellent shape. Your windows go up and down just like they're supposed to. Probably put your camera right through that window. Might make it a little easier for you. Your package tray in the back there looks great. Just a super, super nice car. You got your rear armrests in the back. Your rear door panels are in great shape. Your seat belts are all there. Your lap belts are there. Factory 4-speed car. 4-speed console. It's got the clock down below there in your console. Looks like it has the original radio in it. We'll turn that on here in a second to see if it works. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it yet. I got the keys here in my hand, so I'll open the trunk and show you the inside of the trunk. And you'll see a lot of these same pictures on our website, but I know people like to see the exact video of the car as we're going around it. Trunk looks great. You got a spare tire. Of course, that's probably not the original spare, obviously compact spare, but you have a spare tire, a jack, lug wrench, and you got a little toolkit here with some emergency equipment in it. Your jambs look great inside your trunk. Your trunk seal's in great shape too. Opens and shuts just like it's supposed to. It's got all the stamping up here on the side, on the top of your quarter panels, so it looks like the quarter panels were original. I didn't do the restoration, so I can't tell you that for sure, but sure looks like it. Same thing on this side. Interior, great shape. Seats are super comfortable. Very, very nice car. It does have a tilt steering column in it. SS steering wheel. I'll start it up and then we'll open the hood. We'll check that out. Wipers work. Hear a little bit of squealing there. Probably got a little wet when I washed this car earlier, so. Underneath the hood of this car looks great. Aluminum intake on it. Has a Holley carburetor. It retains the original stock exhaust manifolds. The engine in the car has all been rebuilt. It's got the original style battery in it with the original style clamps. Has the original style hose clamps underneath the car for your heater hoses and radiator hoses. It does have power steering, as I mentioned before, as well as power brakes. Really nice chrome air cleaner. Very, very highly detailed engine compartment. The engine compartment looks very nice. Underneath the hood, you got all your factory insulation underneath the hood. It does have your windshield washer reservoir still intact on the car. Sorry about that little squealing noise there. I'm sure, like I said, I got that belt there. By the way, the radio, I told you to try it. The radio does work. It is an AM radio, but it does tune in stations. So, and the heater worked, and the heater blower worked. So that's a good thing.
We might have a tail light up.
We do. This tail light right here is out. I knew that. I was going to fix that the other day, and I just didn't get to it. So we do have a tail light out. Thank you for pointing that out. But I'm telling you, if you're looking for a 67 Chevelle, a real SS, a real Super Sport Chevelle, you don't need to look any further, because here it is. I just watched one of these cars, a black one, with the non-original engine in it and a bunch of modifications to it, bring $100,000, $97,500 at an auction I was at the other day. So this car is not going to be priced at $100 grand, although I looked at the other car, and this car is a nicer car than that one was, and it was $100 grand. So we're going to price this car very fairly, but this car is absolutely gorgeous. Blue car, blue interior. It's just got all the right equipment on it. Power steering, power brakes, and tilt wheel, and bucket seats, and the 4-speed. And man, I don't really think it gets any better. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory daily. So give us a call. We have 75 to 100 collector cars in stock alone, not to mention our regular late model inventory. We also buy cars. If you have a car you would like to sell us, please don't hesitate to give us a call. And as you're watching this video on YouTube, our YouTube channel, Kenyon Classics, please subscribe to our channel. That way you never miss another great muscle car that we post on our channel. As always, we try to be as fair and honest as we can with all these cars. That's why we do these videos. I take you around, I show you anything that I see in these cars. And yes, I am human. If I do miss something, I am very, very sorry. But I try to point out anything that I see. This car is gorgeous. I really appreciate everyone watching. I hope everyone has a very, very nice holiday season. Give me a call tomorrow and let's get this car sold to you. 67 Chevelle Super Sport. Thank you.